Here you go, Pikachu. Get in there, Mario. Come on, pig. Get in there, Green Mario. I choose you, Charmander. You're not safe now, Sonic.
Welcome back to Nova. I'm hot on the trail of the mad donkey bandit who's out here stealing Pokemon. And I don't mean the cards. He's actually stolen Pokemon from kids and hid them out in this wilderness somewhere. But the Nova Rangers are on the case. Today, we're gonna be using Nova's new Colorfinder, version 2, to find and rescue those poor lost souls. They've taken Mario, they've taken Luigi, they've taken the pig from Minecraft, and they've taken Charizard and Sonic and Pikachu, and they've taken them and they've hidden them out here somewhere. But the Nova Rangers are not gonna let this stand. We are on the case, and we have technology on our side. Let's get to searching. Those poor lost Nintendo and Capcom characters, Sega characters are out here. They are out here lost in these wilderness, and the only way we're gonna bring them back is through the power with Nova and drones. So today, we're breaking out the DJI Matrice 30T, a powerhouse in search and rescue drone technology, and we're going to find them. What we're gonna do is put this up, we're gonna fly a grid mission, basically flying back and forth, taking photos down, and we're gonna run them through Nova's software, and Nova's gonna find those colors and let us hone in on those exact directions, those exact GPS pins of where those poor lost characters are. And to show just how easy this software is to use, I'm gonna have my kids do it. It's only fair that they get revenge on the mad donkey bandit who took their characters by using Nova to bring them back themselves. We're on to you, mad donkey. You're not escaping this time. Time to get the M30T in the air. Powerhouse of search and rescue technology, finding Pokemon. 9-year-old me is just thrilled with this right now. I'm having the time of my life.
One of the best new updates to the Nova Colorfinder is the ability to upload videos as well as photos. Flying a grid map and collecting photos to create an orthomosaic is great and all, but being able to double check the recordings you collect during normal flight operations is even better. Just make sure you're recording SRT files as well with your videos. Once you've collected the footage or photos you want to scan, simply pop the SD card out or hook your drone up to your computer and fire up Nova in your browser. Hit Create, Colorfinder, then choose whether you're going to upload photos or videos. For now, let's use photos. Simply drag and drop the files into your Nova workspace, let them upload and process, and that's it. Now we've got the whole Nova Colorfinder suite at our fingertips, ready to help track down our friends.
Let's get back, take these photos, run them through the Colorfinder, and bring Private Pikachu home. Saving Private Mario? Saving Private Sonic? I'm workshopping a title here.
Yes.
I'll think of something.
So before me and the kids get into our whole playing around with it and finding the Stuffies thing, I figured it would be a good idea to give an exact breakdown of how the Colorfinder works, especially since the engineers in charge of designing this whole revamp of the Colorfinder put out a really cool update right after I finished recording everything for the second time. That's how fast things move here at Nova. So I wanted to give a really quick breakdown of exactly how this all works, and then I'll show you exactly how the kids and I did it. So you have your timeline down here, which this looks a little bit different than the one that you'll see with me and the kids, because this is using photos. It's just easier for me, and I forgot to bring, the 10 gigabytes of drone footage with me here on vacation to do this. But so you can see, it essentially looks the same. You have your various frames of photos and whatnot that you can use to help look for color. On the top you have your whole real view, which is essentially exactly how things look as taken by the drone. And then on the bottom you have our anomaly filter, which you can turn off over here if you just want to look at, one photo. The anomaly filter really helps you pick out things that, might otherwise not get shown up. And then the sensitivity goes back and forth, showing, hey, do you want it to be really, really strict, or do you want it to be a little bit lighter? So even without using the other features of it, you can use the Colorfinder anomaly filter as so. As you can see right here, it picks up on an anomaly right there, which should be our piggy friend. So you can see the anomaly filter picks up on the fact that there's some bright pink lane here. And right here in the real view, you can see exactly where they correlate. Pretty sweet stuff. Now, say you wanted to mark exactly where this was, you simply come up here and you hit this mark. And you can hit 0.2, you can label it whatever you want to, and then you can take the dot and you can place it directly on top of what you found, which will then place it right here, and that gives you the exact GPS coordinates of wherever you've put that point down. I obviously have the GPS coordinates blurred on my side because I don't want to dox myself too much, but on a search and rescue scenario, this would be really, really handy, because then you can find out exactly where that Stuffy is lost, or whatever sort of evidence you're trying to find. Drop that pin right on top of it, you can name the pin, and then you have the exact GPS coordinates of how to get to it. And that's exactly how the kids and I did this whole thing. Now, let me show you something else that's really cool. We know we're going to be searching for blue because, Mario, Sonic, Luigi, they all have some blue. So all you have to do is just drag a circle around the color data that you're looking for exactly. So if you knew, for instance, you were looking for an orange hat or a red backpack, or, a yellow Pikachu Stuffy, for instance, all you would have to do is draw a circle around what you're looking for. And then you can see right here in the timeline, it has the various frames that show up and say, hey, here is where it's blue. And then you can go through them and you can see those little red boxes are going to draw around them just like that. That's what I really wanted to show off with this. Now we take that red box and we zoom in. Let's see what we've got right there. Would you look at that? One of our little friends right there. Hard to tell because of pixelation, but I'm pretty sure that is Luigi. As you can see, little brown boots right there, 2 white gloves, and then his blue overalls of sorts. So let's try something else. Okay, so now we know we want to search for, Charmander and whatnot. So we'll come up here, we'll circle the orange, and well, that was completely unintended. But would you look at that? We have our Charmander right there. Simple. And then again, you can just drop a pin right on top of him and it will lead you directly to where he is. Really, really cool stuff. Now I want to do a quick sort of explanation of why you should care about Stuffies being hidden out here. Imagine you are searching for a missing child, and during your whole interview and everything with whoever reported them as missing, they never go anywhere without a certain Stuffy, and you know the exact color of that Stuffy. You can then take your drone, you can take Nova, and you can go out and search hundreds of acres at a time. You can take all the data off that drone, start uploading it to Nova, start running it through the Colorfinder, and then immediately have that drone back in the air, searching another grid square. You can cover so much ground with this. And say they're looking for a Pikachu. The missing child never goes anywhere without their Pikachu. All you gotta do, you can quickly scan through and see, hey, there's a bunch of yellow in this spot, or you run it through the anomaly filter, or you circle the yellow and go through until you find it. If you find that missing Stuffy, you find that yellow Pikachu, you're gonna be hot on the trail of wherever this poor child has gone missing. That's what this is all about. That is why we do what we do. You'll notice when me and my kids were doing the whole thing, the little red squares and whatnot don't show up. That's the update that I was talking about. That was so cool that I just had to do an edit here on Christmas vacation to show it off. Happy New Year, everyone. Now back to the rest of the video.
All right, you guys ready to rescue our Stuffies?
Yeah. I'll do use the Colorfinder.
We're gonna use the Colorfinder, don't worry.
Is this a map?
It is a map. So see, we have a completely different way of searching for colors now. We've got a completely updated Colorfinder version 2. We're going to see how easy it is to find the Stuffies now, all right?
Okay.
So you see all these lines down here? These are all the colors that are in the video. Remember how we were talking about yesterday? We want to look and see where the colors are. So we got to remember, what color is Avery? Avery, what color is your Minecraft pig?
Pink.
Pink? All right. Do you see all this pink right here, Avery?
Yeah.
Do you think the piggy might be there?
Uh-huh.
There, so there's the piggy right there.
The piggy.
So there's your piggy, Avery. You ready to go find him?
I wanted to do Charmander.
No, we'll do Sonic, don't worry.
Charmander.
Oh, Charmander. Gotcha. We'll do Charmander next, don't worry. So let's go forward, and so you see all this blue right here?
Yeah.
Do you think that might be Sonic?
Maybe. So I found my piggy.
We found your piggy, so here we go. And see, we're getting ready to go into that blue line.
Yeah.
Now look at that. You see that little orange marker right there?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Let's see if we can highlight that. Oh, look at that. You see that dot right there?
Yeah. It's Charmander. Actually, Sonic.
That looks like Sonic to me.
Uh-huh.
There he is. There's Sonic.
Sonic! Let's go down and see if we can find Charmander.
Charmander's up above. So you can see right here, there's all this yellow right here. I bet you that's where Charmander is.
Charmander.
All right. So let's
And
keep...
after I want to do Pikachu.
Pikachu comes next. So there we go.
Pikachu.
We're going to see, because I think Luigi is going to be coming up next. Let's see if he shows up on here.
Luigi.
Oh.
Luigi.
Do you see that speck right there?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
All right, let's try this. Do you see him now? No, he disappeared, right?
Yeah.
So we used a color finder, and it helps us find him right there. So see, this helps guide us towards him, and look at that. That looks to be like...
Mario.
Nope, I think that's Luigi.
No, it's Mario.
Nope, that is Luigi, or Green Mario.
Green Mario.
Yeah, I know, being silly. All right, so let's see. We'll come all the way back here. So those are those yellow trees right there, so that's probably not Charmander. But let's draw another circle over here around the blue. So that's Luigi. We already found him.
Luigi?
Yep.
Luigi?
And let's see if we pick up Mario.
Mario.
Oh,
That's
look at
Mario.
that. It picked him up right there, that little orange spot. So you can see how on
That's
this...
Charmander.
Nope, that orange is the highlight. So you can see right there, you see how like all these trees over here are highlighted because they're different color? But that right there, it shows, hey, there's something that's a different color than everything else around it. So, we're able to zoom in, and there is Mario.
That's Charmander.
Nope, that's Mario, see?
Just teasing him.
All right, so now let's see if we can find Charmander without that. He should show up pretty bright because he's orange. That's why search and rescue guys, they wear orange or red because it stands out so good on video. Or not just video, but being found. All right, let's see. We're gonna look for Charmander. All right, I see Charmander in here. Do you see him? Do you see him on this screen at all? Do you see Charmander?
Yes.
All right, where is he? Tell me which way to go. Tell me which way to point this arrow.
Left.
Left, this way,
Yep. And up.
and up. Right there. You think that's Charmander?
Yes. It's my bestest try.
That's your bestest try?
Yeah.
There you go. And you see, he's right there. All right, so now we just need to find
Pikachu.
Pikachu. What color is Pikachu?
Yellow. Think I see yellow.
Oh, yeah?
Think.
Where at? Here, we can always go like that and isolate things. We can look and see if we see anything.
Yellow.
What's that right there?
That's not Pikachu.
Oh,
What?
look at that. So you see that spot right there?
Yeah. Pikachu!
What's that right there?
Pikachu! Pikachu!
Should we go rescue him now?
Yeah!
All right, go get your shoes on. Let's go rescue our guys. All right, guys, this is where the Mad Donkey Bandit took the Stuffies. You ready to go rescue him?
Yeah! Piggy, we're coming!
All right, so the piggy was just over here.
Because he's about to fly.
The piggy's about to cry? Well, don't worry. We'll rescue him.
Yeah.
All right. Remember, we saw it on the Nova map. The piggy's somewhere right over here.
There it is. My piggy. Aww.
Put the piggy in the backpack for safekeeping. Good job. All right, let's go.
Now let's find Pikachu.
On the Nova maps, we found a blue spot right over here. Do you see a blue spot anywhere around here?
No.
You found Sonic! All right, we gotta go this way. Now we gotta find Luigi and Mario.
Well, I see him. I found him. Wow. Mario. Bye.
Shove him in there.
Bye. No. Get in.
We gotta find Luigi, then we have Charmander and Pikachu to find. So we're halfway there, guys. No, we found Mario. We haven't found Luigi yet. Luigi should be right up here. This is where the Colorfinder has him marked.
Where did the mad donkey hide it?
I don't know. That's what we're trying to find out. Look for green that's greener than the green around it. What a sentence, Tim.
He's wearing blue too.
Yup, that's how we found him with the Colorfinder, was he was wearing blue.
Oh, found him.
Luigi!
Luigi!
Good job.
Ow!
We should be getting close. He was right over here and hidden in dense brush.
Charmander! Not well!
Did you find him?
You know.
Let's take the secret tunnel over here and we'll go to where we know Pikachu is, all right? Because we know that Pikachu was out here all by him lonesome. The mad donkey wanted to hide Pikachu even more than the others.
Yeah.
That naughty donkey.
It was you.
What? I'm not the mad donkey.
Yes, you are.
What? I'm not the mad donkey bandit.
You have a donkey suit!
I have no response to that. All right, let's go through here. All right. We know Pikachu was somewhere out here in this field.
Pika! Pika!
You found him! All right, put him in here.
Yeah!
All right, good job, guys. We found him.
That was way. We
All right.
find all of them.
We did find all of them. All right, let's escape. That's going to wrap it up for this episode of Nova, showcasing the Colorfinder V2. This technology has been... I forgot my rough voice completely. This technology has been... we're done. This technology has been a year in the making. It has had so much of your guys' feedback. It has had so much testing go into it. And we are so thrilled to have it finally be in your hands. If you have any questions, don't be afraid. Reach out to Nova. We got all of our links in our description. We're happy to help you out. Try this software. Let us know how you're using the software. Show us your photos of the Pokemon you catch using this software. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.